Hi guys, welcome to Pretentious Movie Reviews. This week's movie is... This is a movie that single-handedly made the entire Indian middle class uncomfortable.
Pregnant में abortion.
प्रिया माँ बनने वाली है. I'm ashamed, Dad.
You went to watch the movie with your family, and when you came back in the car, nobody spoke.
अच्छी मूवी होगी. Like they'll be singing, dancing, you know.
Pregnant.
वो लाव बनाया था ना आपने, काजू थोड़ा कम था.
हाँ, काजू कम होता है.
काजू कम होता है. कभी काजू के बारे में.
क्या कहना features actors in roles that they've already done in other films. Anupam Kher as dad, Farida Jalal as mom,
Preeti Zinta as bubbly girl, Saif Ali Khan as rich guy,
and Chandrachud Singh as also there.
लेकिन मेरी बात तो सुनो एक मिनट प्रिया.
You guys are doing that pregnancy wala movie?
हाँ, we're doing it, but
अभी तक वो पार्ट नहीं आया, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा.
can you? Thanks. The music in this film is provided by the demo function on Casio keyboards.
And the rest is stolen.
Most notably, the title track is also
Darling, I love you, though you treat me cruel. 'Cause I love you so.
This is a coincidence.
part of a series of coincidences
By the same music director.
As we all know, good artists copy, great artists coincidence.
Hey, you guys are doing that pregnancy wala na?
Yeah, we're getting to it.
Can you leave?
Which brings us to Saif in the movie is hilariously named Rahul Modi.
It's the most successful name of all time.
Rahul Modi can do anything you want, yeah. क्या कहना है set in a town where जबरदस्त action scenes often take place.
आज एक जबरदस्त एक्शन सीन होने वाला है.
Saif is about to jump from one cliff to another.
Here's the thing though, there's no ramp. If you've ever seen a person do a stunt where they jump something, that ramp is not for style.
These are two cliffs, and a person comes from here. No matter how fast he goes horizontally, he has no vertical velocity, which is why he'll fall. Try again with faster velocity. Faster! Faster! There's no possible way.
Unless,
Yes. Yeah.
but Saif can make the jump. Why? Rahul Modi. So Saif is standing here with the bike. Crowd is also here. He reaches here, and immediately the crowd rushes to congratulate him.
Which brings us to an important theme in the film.
Continuity problems.
तुम लोग प्रेगनेंसी वाला मूवी कर रहे हैं क्या?
We are just wait. Finally. Preeti Zinta is in a girls' hostel.
Where they play games.
Truth? Yeah, dare.
When suddenly
Vice principal ने मुझे उसने मुझे
molestation. Look, this is a serious issue, which is why they immediately go back to playing the game.
अच्छा छोड़ ना ये सब चक्कर. चल हम अपना गेम खेलते हैं.
Why do people play truth or dare?
Do you not realize that you can lie?
Dare.
They dare her to slap the vice principal.
उस साले को एक थप्पड़ मारना है. Oh no.
Comedy music plays. Did everyone just forget what happened?
Oh no.
क्या यहीं पे वो प्रेगनेंसी मूवी हो रही है?
Who is telling you this?
हमारे पास टिकट्स हैं.
भाग जाओ यहाँ से.
गुस्सा क्यों कर रहा है यार?
Fine. We'll talk about it. This movie has the most bizarre sex scene in any Bollywood film. By that we mean it has a sex scene.
Rahul Modi and Priya have sex behind a tree on top of a hill.
And you know sex is happening because having sex in public behind a tree is like the dumbest thing possible.
Because somebody's behind the tree if somebody else is in front of the tree.
Which brings us to the oldest problem in Indian cinema. You want to show people having sex without showing people having sex.
Here are the usual methods of doing this.
Flowers touching, doors closing,
Lights offing.
In this movie, they go for the classic clothes lying around. Also, Saif's face right after. Everyone knows this face. So, sex happened. Oh. However, in a while, talks of marriage begin to start.
पढ़ाई खत्म करने के बाद तुम दोनों तो शादी करोगे ही.
But Saif doesn't want to get married.
मैं प्रिया से शादी नहीं कर सकता.
Here's an important point before you ask your boyfriend to come to your parents' house to get married. Talk to him. Don't let this be a surprise.
एक दूसरे को पसंद भी करते हैं, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं कि मुझसे शादी कर लूंगा.
So after sex, sometimes some things happen. It's time to address the elephant in the room. The giant pregnant elephant.
Priya gets pregnant.
How they say she's pregnant is by saying
प्रिया माँ बनने वाली है.
Which is always better than saying उसका बच्चा होने वाला है. Childbirth is a biological process. लोगों को बताना does not have to be. उसके जेनिटल के थ्रू एक नया ह्यूमन निकलने वाला है. उसका बच्चा होने वाला है. वो माँ बनने वाली है. तुम पापा बनने वाले हो. तुम्हारे पापा दादा बनने वाले हैं. खुशखबरी है.
अरे क्या खुशखबरी है. The reason people choose to deliver news like this is because we don't talk about sex at home. Here's a list of things we talk about. Job,
Failure of neighbors and relatives.
khana,
Marks.
तुम अंदर जाओ. मैं कहता हूँ तुम अंदर जाओ. चलो तुम लोग. मैं कहता हूँ चलो अंदर.
Basically, the movie culminates to play put on by Priya's friends,
प्रिया प्रेग्नेंट थी इंस्पेक्टर साहब.
and the play is about how a girl called Priya gets pregnant and then kills herself.
The plot of the movie is being used to advance the plot of the movie.
At the end of the movie, Priya gives a heartfelt speech to everybody in her college.
मैं स्टेज पे जाके कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ.
Which is like 3-level commentary. It's a commentary on the play, on the movie, and then on the society.
लेकिन इसकी जिम्मेदार मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ. इसमें कोई और भी शामिल है मेरे साथ.
Basically, it takes two hands to sex.
And then everyone like applause. At this point, the Indian cinema going audience was like, "Fuck that shit."
चलो अंदर तुम लोग. चलो तुम लोग. मैं कहता हूँ चलो अंदर.
In conclusion, we'd like to say that if you're going to have sex, at least make sure you're safe.
तुमको तुम कहाँ से है?
I was at coffee day.
मतलब तुम दुनिया में कहाँ से है?
We used to stay in Delhi and then we moved here.
नहीं तुम मतलब तुम बेबी थे पहले.
Yeah, of course.
तो तुम बेबी कैसे बने?
What?
मतलब तुम आए कैसे? हम सब लोग कैसे बने?
कैसे बने मतलब?
भगवान ने बनाना हमको.
हाँ, yeah.
हाँ बस वही है.
Okay.
बेटा तुम्हारे पैरों के बीच ना एक थप्पड़ लगाऊं.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We really appreciate it. If you'd like us to review any other movie, please put it in the comments below and we should do so. My name is Karan.
I'm Biswa.
ट्रस्टीज चाहते हैं कि आप फौरन कोई एक्शन लें.
एक्शन लेना चाहिए. बिल्कुल लेना चाहिए.